as fuck, I'm up before the sun. Coffee in my cup, charts loading one by one. Ain't no time to waste, got my system down. Trading's what I do, about to get this crown. Screens all lit up, candles red and green. This my morning shit, know just what I mean. Sipping slow and steady, while I check the trends. Mad focus now, this is how my day begins. Charts and coffee got me in my groove. This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Fuck the formal trading, that ain't how I roll. Take my time analyzing, that's how I get gold. Coffee getting cold, but I'm locked right in. Watching patterns form, know just where to begin. This ain't rocket science, just my daily grind. Same shit, different day, but I'm doing fine. Got my setup perfect, got my mind just right. About to make these moves, gonna do this shit all night. Yeah. Sipping and trading, trading and sipping. Got my momentum, ain't no way I'm slipping. Yeah. Numbers and patterns, patterns and flows. This is my rhythm, everybody knows. Charts and coffee got me in my groove. This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Making money moves, daily this shit feel from home. I can get cold, but I'm still in the zone. Making money move, yeah, this shit feels like home. Got plans, rising from the cup and waiting. Soft jazz piano loop begins. Fuck sleep, I got my morning mapped, while these other bitches still trapped in the naps. Quiet house, screens lit up bright. My setup perfect, everything's right. First sip hits, mind gets clear. Another day to fucking dominate here. Watch the numbers dance and slide, while my coffee keeps me certified. Charts and coffee started right, yeah. Focus tight, mind in flight, mind in flight. Charts and coffee make it flow, yeah. That's the rhythm that I know. Second cup, now I'm in the zone. All these patterns speaking in code. They don't know about this morning grind, being sharp when others fall behind. Fuck that FOMO, I stay composed. Years of practice, that's how it goes. Every move calculated clean. This ain't luck, you know what I mean. Early bird gets the fucking win. That's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark. That's what sets the real one me. Early bird gets the fucking win. That's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark. That's what sets the real ones apart. Their cup's cold, but I don't care. These indicators showing me where to place it perfect, time is sweet, while amateurs still catch disease. This game ain't for the weak or slow. Gotta be ready when it's time to go. Morning ritual got me trained. Others sleep while I maintain. Charts and coffee one more time, yeah. This rhythm's yours and this rhythm's mine, this rhythm's mine. 3 hours hit me with a different kind of peace. While the world's still quiet, I find my release. Just me and these numbers dancing slow, building patterns in my mind as I go. Something special about this morning air, way before the day is time to care. And I keep asking myself as the minutes tick by, and I keep wondering why every morning feels so right. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? You asked me once why I rise before the sun. Said I'm chasing something that can't be outrun. It's not about the money or the gain, it's about finding clarity when things ain't the same. Each morning ritual brings me closer to truth. Like watching steam rise, I'm finding proof that patience builds more than just a perfect cup. It's teaching me when to hold, when to give up. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? Sometimes I wish you could see this morning meditation with me, where everything makes sense before the world gets intense. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? What's brewing in me? We're catching that while the world's still asleep. First light hits my screen, I'm in my element. Fresh brew by my side, mind is confident. Reading these patterns like sheet music, feel the flow. Each candlestick painting stories as they go. Morning meditation with my market view. Catching waves of data, riding them with you. Some see just numbers, I hear the melody. Each trend line speaking rhythmically to me. Time signatures changing, support levels hold. Breaking down resistance as the day unfolds. Charts and coffee, that's my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me. Moving like jazz, just trust in me. Second cup hitting different minds, eye clear. Watch these price points dance, appear and reappear like a jazz musician. Reading between the lines, finding sweet spots where opportunity shines. Keep it cool and steady, no need to rush. Let the market breathe, feel that morning hush. Been studying patterns since you've been sleeping. Watching lines form art while knowledge I'm reaping. Strategy tight like a bebop groove. Calculated steps on when to make my move. Speed picks up, more intense delivery.
Quick shifts coming, tempo changing fast. Gotta stay composed, make these moments last. Reading signals, catching every beat. Market symphony playing just for me. Mind state elevated, focus clean. This ain't just trading, this is art you're seeing. Charts and coffee, it has my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me. Moving like jazz, just trust in me. Want a ritual complete. Left my mark on these streets of green and red, but the rhythm stays in my head.
Morning comes, I think of you first. Chart lines dance while my coffee bursts. Been at this game since day one, teaching me patience like you always done. Charts and coffee, that's our way, that's how we start the day. Got my screens lit, what you gonna say? Watch how the patterns play. Numbers flow like the brew in my cup. Some days down, but we keep looking up. You showed me how to read these signs. Now every morning feels like yours and mine. Remember what you taught me about staying cool. When markets get wild, I follow your rules. Charts and coffee, that's our way. That's how we start the day. Got my screens lit, what you gonna say? Watch how the patterns play. Just you, me, and these morning routines. Building something real, building something real, know what I mean? Watch you rushing in the morning, trying to catch every move. But let me share something with you that'll help improve your groove. See, you're like fresh beans waiting to release what's locked inside. But patience makes the difference between success and a wild ride. Take it slow, watch it form, just like steam rising up warm. Let it brew, just like your morning cup, just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. You check your screens at sunrise, numbers dancing everywhere. But trading's like my coffee method, it needs time and tender care. Temperature's important, just like timing in the trade. Too hot and you'll get burned quick, too cold opportunities fade. Take it slow, watch it form, just like steam rising up warm. Let it brew, just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. I've seen too many burn out, trying to catch every wave, but the ones who last the longest know just when to stay away. So here's my morning lesson as I pour this cup for you. The market gives its gifts to those who know just what to do. Like coffee needs its moments for the flavors to extract. Your trades need proper timing before you plan to act. Let it brew, just like your morning cup. Just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. Up before the rest of the block now, just me and my laptop. Tick-tock, haven't even brushed my teeth yet, but these charts ain't gonna read themselves, I bet. Watch the steam rise, study every line. Same way I read these charts all the time. Coffee in my system, mind getting clear. That's how we make these moves round here. That's how we do. Red candles flash on my screen while I'm sipping something mean. Used to play it fast and lose, now wait for confirmation, that's the truth. Got a system, got a plan, no trading like a rookie, understand. Numbers dancing, but stay cool, cause panic selling's for a fool. Some days green, some days red, gotta keep a level head. Deep breath in, let it flow. This ain't no casino, yo. This is just not checkers, fam. Gotta think before you slam. Markets opening in 5. Feel my focus come alive. Charts tell stories if you know how to read between the highs and lows. Been at this since way back when. Now I'm teaching you, my friend. This ain't luck, this ain't chance. This is morning market dance. Watch the steam rise, study every line. Every single morning, we do this right. Coffee in my system, mind getting clear. It's the only way we move from here. brain. Every morning's got its own sweet flow. Some days fast, but mostly moving slow. Learning how to read which way things go. Finding peace in what these mornings show. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear, that's what I see. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear, that's what I see. Fuck the noise, I'm focused on my path. Reading signals through the aftermath. Every line's a story that I grasp. Some shit falls, other things will last. Damn, I love these mornings by myself. Learning lessons money couldn't help. Every cup of wisdom brings me wealth beyond what's sitting on my shelf. Filtered through the static, find the flow that's magic. In the quiet hours, let it all unfold. Watch the truth get told. Patterns start to speak. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. In the quiet, when my mind is clear, that's what I see. That's what I see. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. In the quiet, when my mind is clear, that's what I see. La la la, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear. La la la, in the quiet hours. First rays break through my window pane. Coffee drips slow like a gentle rain. Numbers dance across my screen. I remain in this space where focus meets the mundane. Every morning, same position, same station. Building blocks of daily meditation. Clear mind as I track each indication. Patient breathing, deep contemplation. In the rhythm of my morning flow, let it guide me. Every pattern helps me grow. As above, so down below. In a rhythm, watch it move, finding truth in every groove. Lines intersect, I'll watch them play. Reading signs that point the way. Years of practice taught me how to stay cool and steady through each display. My fingers trace ascending paths while steam rises, making me laugh. This quiet hour holds its craft as wisdom flows through every draft. Each morning brings another chance to perfect this sacred dance. Some see chaos, I see design. Some feel rushed, I take my time. In these moments I refine every signal, every sign. Beyond the surface lies the art of knowing when to stop and start. Each cup of wisdom sets apart a discipline that fills my heart. Early hours hold the key to everything I need to see. In this space, I'm truly free to let the knowledge flow through me. In the rhythm of my morning flow, let it guide me. Every pattern helps me grow. As above, so down below. In the rhythm, watch it move, finding truth in every groove. First cup steaming beside my screen. Charts and candles know what I mean. Trying to show you how I move. When markets open, got nothing to prove. Markets calling my name. Trading ain't just a game. Watch and learn, babe, watch and learn. Charts and coffee, that's my vibe. Teaching you how to survive. Morning routine, let me show you mine. Building wealth one trade at a time. Woke up early, check the trends. Send your signals, watch you win. Ain't no sleeping when Asia trades. Got my system, got it made. Keep it cool, stay in the zone. Analysis on my phone. Trading life, it's all I know. Watch these profits start.
Listen up, I'ma break it down for you straight. Look, charts telling stories while others hesitate. RSI crossing NACDs looking clean. Building strategies like you ain't never seen. Resistance levels got me feeling so alive. Support zones when my orders store sleep. Now I'm teaching you to swim in the deep. Trading wisdom, dropping knowledge every day. Show you how to read the markets display. No FOMO moves, we stay calculated. Success comes to those who waited.
Take notes while I demonstrate. Perfect entries, never too late. Watch how I navigate. Charts and coffee, that's my vibe. Teaching you how to survive. Morning routine, let me show you mine. Building wealth one trade at a time. Let me show you mine. First light breaking through my window, cup in hand, just me and morning slow dance. Watching steam curl up towards the ceiling, each breath measured, each moment revealing. Early peace before the world starts spinning, just us here, no need for pretending. Screen comes alive with gentle blue light, your patterns speak to me, morning feels right. Time suspended in the sacred space, just learning your rhythms, finding my place. Steam rising from my cup, while these charts are lighting up, finding clarity in numbers, while the morning's waking up. Watching patterns flow, 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 flow with the morning. Ooh, letting wisdom grow, 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 grow with the learning. Each candlestick painting stories clear, teaching lessons if you know how to hear. Red and green dancing on my screen, speaking truths about what might have been. Patient moments turn to understanding, while my coffee cools, wisdom expanding. You show me past the peaks and valleys to reaching. Surely teaching discipline through each rally. In these quiet hours we share our dance, numbers flowing, giving life its chance. Steam rising from my cup, while these charts are lighting up, finding clarity in numbers, while the morning's waking up. Let it flow, let it breathe, morning wisdom sitting free. Let it rise, let it be, finding peace in what I see. Early morning stillness, just you and me. Coffee pot brewing, charts on my screen. Every ripple in my cup shows me something new. Just like market trends, they're giving me a clue. Watch it rise and fall, both seeming lines. Morning meditation sharpening my mind. I can read these patterns like they're speaking clear, teaching me the rhythm of the day that's near. Every line tells a story, every trend holds a truth, Sip and study slowly, that's what I gotta do, that's what I gotta do. Numbers dance before me in the morning light, while my coffee cools, I'm reading signs just right. Some days flow easy, some test my grace, but I keep my focus, set my own pace. Measure movements, calculated plays, learning from each pattern as the market sways. In this quiet moment, everything aligns. Peace in my cup, clarity in my signs. Ba-da-ba-dum, watch it flow. Da-dum, let me know. Sha-la-la, see it grow. Oh, oh, now you know. Every line tells a story, tells a story. Every trend holds a truth, holds a truth. Sip and study slowly, study slowly. That's what I gotta do. That's what I gotta do. Morning wisdom brewing, charts and coffee flowing. Patterns keep on moving. That's the way we're going. That's the way, that's the way we're going.
Early bird energy, just me and these lines. Numbers keep flowing, yeah, time after time. Steam from my cup like the thoughts in my mind. Quiet spaces where patterns align. Got that morning mindset locked and loaded. Screens lit up before the sun's posted. Brain waves wavy, but I stay focused. This is how the day gets coded. Sipping slow, watching close, mind in the zone, that's how it goes. That's just how. Every move calculated and bold. Building my vibe as the day unfolds. Breakfast with data, yeah, that's how I feast. Analytics hit different when streets still asleep. Got my system down pat, no need to compete. Just me and these numbers in perfect repeat. Morning ritual, got me centered and clean. Filter my thoughts like it's fresh caffeine. Stack my odds before others' routine. This quiet grind about to make me beam. Sipping slow, watching close, mind in the zone, that's how it goes. That's just how, that's just how. Every move calculated and bold. Building my vibe as the day unfolds. Early morning, steady flowing, clear mind knowing, growing. First light hit different now. Found my rhythm, found my style. Morning moves, that's my profile.
I saw you trade, raw talent, unafraid, but clicking without a plan. Need to help you understand. Watch and wait, calculate, time to elevate. Learn, trade, win, break it down and start again. Trade, win, make your move and then seeking fire. Every chart tells a sign, reading patterns, matching time. Watch you grow with every trade, as the lessons sink and fade. Getting stronger day by day, making moves the right way. Learn, trade, win, break it down inside again. Trade, win, make your move and then in the quiet spaces between each decision that you make, feel the pulse beneath the screen. Every choice, every stake. Now I see you've changed, mind and skills arranged, trading with the flow, everything you know, ready for the show. Watch your journey begin. Rising higher, higher, higher. Digital warrior, high, in sync with the rhythm inside. Every line sand dissolves into pure light, rising higher than before, breaking through what holds me down. Feel the pulse beneath my feet, let it lift me from the ground. Rising higher than before, breaking through what holds me down. Feel the pulse beneath my feet, let it lift me from the ground. Moving with the flow, I know where to go. Moving with the flow, I know where to go. Moving with the flow, moving with the flow, I know where to go. everything aligned, everything in reach, moving with the flow. I know where to go, moving with the flow. I know where to go, moving with the flow. I know where to go, moving with the flow. I know where to go. Something shifts inside my mind. Numbers start to align. Can't explain this feeling now. Everything slows down. Moving with the rhythm pure. Finding patterns, getting sure. Time dissolves when I'm in the zone. Rising higher on my own. Time dissolves, time dissolves. Clear as morning, sharp as light. Every move feels right. Instinct guides me through the flow. Let the moment go. Every signal crystal clear. What I sought is finally here. Time dissolves when I'm in the zone. Rising higher on my own. Time dissolves, time dissolves.
Let it flow through me. Let it show me the way. Let it grow in me. Let me stay in this space.
Found the balance, found the way. Everything in play. Mind and body synchronized. Nothing left to hide. Time dissolves when I'm in the zone. Rising higher on my own. Time dissolves when I'm in the zone. Rising higher on my own. I send you this message straight from my mind. When everything clicks, leaving chaos behind. Feel the pulse in my veins as I start to flow. Time starts bending, letting everything go. Racing thoughts slow down. In the zone, time dissolves. Everything becomes clear. watching, wait. Every move calculate. In the pulse of market waves, your mind stays focused, brave. I see your patience grow with every ebb and flow. Let me guide you higher still, past the limits of your will. Beyond the screen, you'll break free into reality. You'll see. Charts and numbers dance in time. Your spirit starts to climb. Every trade refines your art. Each signal sets you apart. Wisely, wisely, ever rising, breaking boundaries day by day. Trading, learning, always turning, finding wisdom in your way. On the screen.
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Discord. Good morning, Rumble. How is everybody today? This thing's reloading again. What is going on here? My chat is not coming over. Whoop. I just noticed my mic was not unmuted here. Good morning, Discord. I'm talking on YouTube and not talking over here. Sorry, guys. The chat's not coming over. I didn't realize it was not coming over. I have no idea what's going on this morning, but then there's that, right? How is everybody this morning?
Good morning.
Hey, how's it going? How's it going?
We got the arena, bro, in 10 minutes.
What happened?
Me and Paul's in the arena.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Let's do battle. Let's do battle. 2 men enter, 1 man leaves. I am Spartacus.
I was gonna say.
Can I hear you, mate? You're cutting on and out there.
I was expecting you to have a slingshot point.
That was not a bad short if anybody took it. Put up into the nose, into the 0.5 of that wick, no top wick and a flip. Dang, I wasn't here. Sorry, I missed that one. That was not a bad one there. Anybody got done on both the hour and the third. Very nice. Open wifey with the dog, sadly. All right, well, there she is. Anyway, for some reason the chat's not coming through YouTube. Don't know why, guys, so kind of stick with me. I won't be able to see your chat that well. And did you notice, Paul, when you went and said something on YouTube, it's got our usernames rather than our screen names? Is it the same for you or no?
Yes, it is. I'm only after noticing that now that you've actually said that. I didn't even notice.
Yeah, I could have figured out why. It was weird for me because I put be right back to open mic, guys, and that I thought to myself, well, it shows me as reality is illusion. And I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that for you guys, but if there's anybody new, they have no idea who that is. Because it says it's supposed to say learn, trade, and win here, and then they know who it is. But anyway, there's that. What are you gonna do? I don't know. See what we can do with this 9:30 open. Hopefully the open gives us some. Wow, there's 100 ticks off that flip.
Oh, I swear to God, I'm going to kill every single person who sells trading education. I'm gonna fucking kill them all.
Would you like to learn how to trade for $29.99?
Oh, Jashim, you finally feel like I've always felt. No, I don't want to kill any of them, but I got to tell you, it's just I don't get it. I'll never get it. I'll never get it, Jashim. But all right. All right, what are we gonna do?
Slowly changing my mind on the opinion, because myself and Josh were chatting here about some guy that does $10,000 personal tuition. So I'm kind of thinking, a Discord with 5 clients. Could you imagine? Never
There you go.
Paid a day in my life.
Well, yeah, there. Now, there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with that side of it. You know what I'm saying, though. It's funny. Just as long as you don't run around and say that you're good. See what I'm going to do? I think I'm going to. Well, see, I can't get away with it. What I want is I want to find somebody. I think I'm going to take my neighbors. Yeah, I'm going to use the neighbors because they don't know how to trade. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to teach you how to sell courses. They're going to go out and they're going to sell courses, and they're just going to tell all the people, I can't trade. I suck. Buy my course. I want to see how many they sell. I bet you they make tons of money.
Yep.
I have no idea how to do it.
Yep.
I just came to the market today. That's what we need. We need somebody out there selling courses that really has absolutely no idea how to trade, doesn't even know what a candlestick is. And let's just see, because I think people will still buy it. I think they still will. I don't think you even have to know.
Yep. I have to say I agree with you on that one.
It's absurd. I don't know how to do it, but it absolutely blows my mind. I don't get the whole course selling thing. I never will. I know there's people who are selling, and we have tons of people in the server. You wouldn't even believe how many sell mentorships, courses, things like that, and it slays me. It just slays me. So, absolutely unbelievable. But I mean, a lot of the shot callers do. I mean, everybody already knows that, and that makes sense. A lot of the reason that they come in as shot callers, is because they're trying to sell their, whatever they have, whether they have a copy bot or courses or mentorships or Discord access or whatever. And that I kind of get. That's why they're giving free signals over on the server. Okay, whatever it is, right? But what kills me is if you guys pay attention. And again, if one of the shot callers is on here, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to hurt your feelings, but if you don't like it, leave the server. I don't give 2 shits. Anyway, if you pay attention to these signals, guys, and I don't know if you guys do, see, I try to clear all my Discord all the time, so I've got everything just so if there's any, spammers, I can catch them. So I always go through every Discord and try to, once it lights up, see what it is, make sure that it's not a scammer. So I keep all my channels clean, right? Well, if you look at these guys, and I'm not trying to hate, but they'll send the same signals, guys. Like 6 of these shot callers all send the exact same ticker, the exact same entry, the exact same exit. And I'm thinking, where are they getting this thing at? I don't get it.
Now, where are they all getting the same signal from?
Yeah.
Are they all
if you go
to somebody else get the signal and then resell the signal?
Yeah, that's what I don't. Yeah, I don't get it. If you go down to the shot caller, I'm not kidding you. You can go down to the shot callers, and I'm not going to mention which ones do what, right? Because that's not. I'm not going to do it. But if you go down to the shot callers and you just look at the last few signals, just zoom down to the last few signals, you'll see 5, 6 of them that are dropping the exact same thing, the exact same time. I know this because they all come through my thing at the same time, and I think, oh no, there's a spammer trying to spam the Discord. Oh no, just the guys calling signals, all the same exact signal. Now, how's that possible? That just blows my mind. I don't know how they do it. I have no idea, but it's crazy to me. Absolutely insane. I'll sell fading triggers. If I post a trade, take the opposite position, you will make a lot of money, and I'll charge $9.99 a signal. Beautiful. That's what I try to tell you. You could just get people out of positions. Warner, you could do that too. Like Aiken comes in, Aiken says, I'm trapped. I'm $200 upside down, and you say, well, for $50, I'll take a position the other way and get you out. And Aiken will say, well, I'm $200 down, so yeah, I'll pay you $50 to get $200 back. Sweet. It's easy.
the reveal here. Let's see what we got today, boys. Today, my side piece is Pacific Avenue.
There you go.
Shit. And North Carolina, boys. We only need one more.
Everybody got that? We only need one. If somebody's out there that's got that other piece, let's talk.
Which one is it?
Come on, chat. I'll be a real YouTuber. Come on, chat.
We'll give you signals if we can get the other green. I'm kidding.
We can give signals. It's all right. It doesn't matter if they're good or bad. Nobody cares on the internet. Come on now.
Yeah, look at top step.
Yeah. just say buy here or sell here, and then when they do it, if they get stopped out, just say your stop loss wasn't big enough. What's wrong with you? Didn't you take the course? And if they say nope, say, well, I can hook you up. Here's a link to my Patreon. You did it wrong. That's why you lost. Sorry, guys. I shouldn't. Happy Monday morning, guys.
LearnTradeWin.
Oh, my geez. Let's see if we can't find something here. Like I said, that was not a bad entry. All joking aside on the no top wick candle there for you guys that pay attention to those. She did come right down into the nose of that M where we talk about fake outs. This is something that we've talked about time and time again. And if you measure your wick of the nose of that M, we came right into the 0.5 and then rejected with that top wick and the move down. So I mean, you could have traded the flip of that candle. So just saying, I wasn't here sadly, but it was not a bad one. That was not a bad move there on gold. Not bad. Let's see if we can find us something else though, but that was not a bad one.
NQ give a lovely 4-hour no wick candle, and then a wick up, and she's been playing around in this 4-hour range for basically the last 4 hours. I took a short on it, but I closed out at break even because she was just not moving. I was hoping that our normal routine of the no wick up and then the wick down, I was hoping she was going to run, close the gap. But again, every trader in the world waiting for that gap to be closed.
Yep, you already know that. You already know that. But we got one below too, right? Yeah, she still hadn't been closed.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, and something else that I noticed this morning, I hadn't seen the market, guys, because I've been gone. I had no idea, but when I opened up, for any of you that were watching TA, I was on the daily, and I was just erasing, just deleting all of my arrows. I was like, you got to be kidding me. All those no bottom wicks got recovered on Friday, so I hope that you guys were part of that. Or maybe it wasn't on Friday. I guess it wasn't until last night, actually, because there was the open. Yeah, so it was last night when they really started coming in and filling them all. Oh, I don't know if you guys got involved after the open on that move down to grab all those wicks or not. I haven't even opened my computer, I'll be honest with you. I haven't even opened my computer until this morning. So
there she goes again.
Well, this is kind of funny one here. Look at this. Got to close below. Let's go white with that so we don't get confused. We got no top wick. Oh, we broke that range. Got plenty of room to move down, but we've got no top wick. So I mean, we can't do nothing. I mean, I can't do nothing here. Got no wick on this candle, much to speak of. 44 ticks down. I mean, this is a decent one to move down again, but this one I can't get involved in. I mean, you might be able to. I need top wick. Yeah. Okay. $100 look like. Yep. Yeah, and this top wick would play out the 800 nice too for the retest of this level that it broke here. So we broke the level, come back up. That'd be the retest. I bet you she just falls. She's probably going to come down here and break this low and just continue to fall down. So, nothing I can do here, guys. If you are in it, by all means, beautiful. I've got to just sit out. Gotta. Should get at least a 0.5 of this wick. I'd start thinking about B. We put a wick on this candle already. Almost touched that 0.5, so I would start thinking about it. That's a decent wick now.
I need a signal. I'm trapped.
Crap. I mean, you got 31 ticks. You should have. Are you short on gold?
No, I was just messing around.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say you should have been short. You should have probably already took TP and went to BE, but
I'm looking at Nasdaq E.
Yeah.
if you were in it,
Nice. 500 range. Akin's been swept. We also have a new time. What do you call them? We also have an all-time high just created there. It just swept the stop loss area. But not much you can do about it.
like it's so far over. There, does that look better? I didn't see it on YouTube till right now. There we go. Yeah, that looks better.
It's a really cold day this morning. It's 36 degrees.
Holy moly. Are you kidding me? 36? You live in Antarctica? No, New Jersey. Same thing. It's the same thing.
South Pole.
That's cold, man. I would not want to see 36 right now. I was outside this morning helping wifey with the dog, and I was in shorts and a t-shirt outside, so it's like, I don't know, maybe 76, 78 degrees outside right now.
Oof.
I run around in a t-shirt in that temperature.
Yeah.
Probably run butt naked too.
Well, not quite butt naked. No, we're not quite that liberal here. But yeah, 2-3 degrees over here. That's not. I wouldn't even consider that to be cold. To be honest with you. Are you in this competition now, Josh? You maybe started.
Yeah, look at chart I just sent. They're all up like 300, just gambling off the open.
And then blam, they're gonna get wrecked.
Yeah, they're all gonna die. It's the same as the other competitions. All these guys end up dying.
I forgot to sign up for it.
You can sign up for the one next week.
That's
Still
because
stuck, so-
that's because you know the number one thing missing with not just, I mean, even you, I mean, we talked about YouTube earlier, but the number one thing missing with traders all the way around, and hopefully not so much missing from the traders here, and that's why they get up so big and have all these big positions and look like they're killing it, was the number one thing missing from them. Nobody?
They got no heart.
Consistency. Don't matter how much you win if you lose it all back. That's just, it doesn't matter. And people get so confused about that when they're watching YouTubers and they're watching all these things and they're watching these people. And I mean, I've heard people come on the stream and say it 1,000 times. Oh, well, so-and-so just made $50,000 yesterday on a position. Well, great. That's great. I'm glad they made $50,000, but that's got nothing to do with what they're going to have in profit by the end of the month. You know what I mean? And that's the whole thing. People, that's the key component that nobody seems to wrap their head around. When they see everybody moving so fast, when they see these big P&Ls, when they see these big green numbers, all they can do is concentrate on that, but they don't realize that that's a very short-lived thing. If what you're trying to do is make big, fast green numbers super fast, then yeah, there's a lot of systems out there that you can do that. If you want to actually make profits and live off your trading, that's a whole different game. You have to be consistent. It's got nothing to do with, hey, quick, fast cash. So that's what everybody misses, but that just some old man talking to you.
If you want to get some fast cash, put on a mask.
Yeah, right. And that's the same thing.
Good luck.
Same thing. All joking aside, you that's a very valid point. Not trying to be funny, but that's a very valid point. You could do the exact same thing. You're exactly right, Aiken. If that's how you prefer to trade, is to put on your ski mask and go grab a bank, yes. And will you get some fast cash? Yes. If you get away with it, absolutely great. Your luck's on your side. How many times are you going to do it? Are you going to turn robbing banks into a career? That's the difference. And if you are, great.
Well, I mean,
you know?
I probably
Got it like that.
enough to get enough pocket bucks.
Yeah. You see what I'm saying, though? That's an absolute great example. You can go in, you can rob a bank today, and just because you got away with it doesn't mean that all of a sudden you're a professional bank robber. And that's exactly like trading. Just because you made a great trade today and made 50K or whatever everybody wants to, go on about and pat themselves on the shoulder, that doesn't mean they're professional traders. You can go in, you can get a quick buck anywhere. But consistently getting that quick buck is where the problem comes in at. If you can consistently rob banks and make money on a weekly basis, then by all means, I'm not talking to you, but normally the luck runs out and these guys get caught. That's why we don't have bank robbers that are just consistently robbing banks every week,
You in this long, Joshy?
We caught some of it, but I should have trailed some.
Yeah, I'm kind of has only been roughly a couple of dollars. And it's free, yeah, Michael's most you can use.
Yeah, but you can do both ES and NQ, so I was in 6, I guess.
Very nice. I forgot about that aspect of it. Good call. Thank you for reminding me about that. Well, I need to blow this Apex account first.
He says, I need to blow this Apex count first.
Yeah, fuck, man. Imagine we held this. We'd already be... We wouldn't even need to touch it anymore. We could just let everyone else kill themselves. YouTube, Rumble, just so we're clear, anything that we say on this stream is absolutely not financial advice. Blowing Apex accounts is not the way you do it.
Robbing banks is not the way to do it either.
Yep, robbing banks is not the way you do it. This is non-financial advice. Everything that we speak about here is for entertainment purposes only.
You can't handle it. You're probably in the wrong channel.
Very true. Very true. No, I am getting excited though, guys. There is one thing that I'm looking forward to. I was talking to the wife about it yesterday. I can't wait. I want to get more of these TradeAvate accounts. And I know that sounds super, super crazy, but being able to trade mobile on NinjaTrader is great. I want to get more. I want to find companies, hopefully during Black Friday. I told her hopefully during Black Friday, they have some Black Friday sales on some straight to fundeds for some TradeAvate accounts out there with companies that aren't super stupid about their rules. Because I love that mobile ninja. That helps. That helps a ton with how busy we've been. And unfortunately, I don't think we're going to get less busy. I mean, everybody thinks, well, once the baby's born, you won't have all the doctor's appointments and everything else. But I think we're going to get more busy. Actually, I have a doctor's appointment myself, not for next Monday. So I won't be here next Monday. This week I'll be here all week. Next Monday I have a doctor's appointment. Going to the back doctor. The wife won't let me get out of it no more. I'm done with it. I guess I wore my luck out. She's done with it. So I'm going there. They're going to do the whole x-rays and all that great thing and see what I'm looking at. But unfortunately, it'll probably, and I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't be the downside of it. Maybe it'll be fine. Maybe they'll say, no, you ain't got to worry about it. But unfortunately, I'm going to assume that it's going to bring in more doctor's appointments. And with the baby coming and having to go to the doctor with him and all that stuff, I just assume that I'm going to be out a lot, right? So I'm hoping that I can, do more trading on the phone because it's really not that bad. I don't know if anybody's used the mobile Ninja app yet, but for any of you that used it, man, I hadn't been looking at the chat in the Discord. You guys are probably talking to me and I don't even see it. When I traded the first guys, we're up 9K. But okay. Yeah, I haven't seen any of this stuff, guys. If I missed something, please hit me back. I can't see any of this chat. And unfortunately, now it's the good morning, man of the woods. I just saw that too. Now that it is, it's on the same screen now. My Discord, because I don't have the app, so my Discord's on the same screen as my YouTube. So I'm staying on the YouTube, and I can't see the Discord. So if I missed anything, run it again. I'm just now looking. Anyway, so if none of you guys have tried it, I'm telling you, it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. The app there on NinjaTrader. I mean, I guess it's not amazing. All you guys, I mean, maybe people don't like the phone, but I mean, I'll be honest with you, it really works well.
Does it require 2 screens on your phone to use it properly?
I mean, so I guess it depends on what you mean by that. It depends on how you trade, because for the algo, I use 3 phones, right? And the reason behind that, and you guys are going to be like, well, why do you use 3 phones? The reason that I use 3 phones is because I have the NinjaTrader app on one phone, right? So I'm looking at my 800 tick on one phone. I've got TradingView on another phone so that I can see the 30-minute on that phone, right? And then I have to actually comment in live trading on the other phone. So I might not seem very fast when I call the signal and it's fine, but actually telling you what's happening after I call the signal for the algo every day, I might not seem as fast as I used to be, but that's because I'm trying to manage the signal on one phone. I'm trying to manage the trade on one phone, and then I'm trying to chat in the live trading chat on another phone. So it's not super easy for me. However, if we were to trade gold, let's just say, if you were trading gold right here, and let's just say that you took, let's just say we took this position, right? We would know already where the flip of this candle was, because the low of this candle would be, XYZ, whatever it was for the flip of this candle. So all you got to do is go over to your Ninja. If you were on one phone, you just look at TradingView, you see where the setup is, the setup, the flip, and then you just, go to your Ninja. And now you know that your entry would have been, 44,060.3. You drop your pin, and now you can just stay on the Ninja screen. You don't have to do anything else because you can already see it here, right? So do you need TradingView on another phone? Probably not. With that being said, if you don't mind trading on TradingView, which I'm partial to NinjaTrader, everybody knows this. If you don't mind trading on TradingView, you can just trade on mobile TradingView as well. You can open your position straight on TradingView with a TradeVid account. You don't even have to use the NinjaTrader. But you guys know me, I prefer the 800 tick on the NinjaTrader. So I would never trade on anything. I'm not going to say I'd never trade on anything else, but that's what I prefer. Let's put it that way, right? So that should have been that 0.5 hit that we were talking about earlier. It was even a little past it, yeah. So pretty perfect there, guys. Anyway, I like it, but I'm just thinking to myself, if I'm going to be out more, it'd be a whole lot easier to run it on mobile and not have to have the app, you know what I mean? I have a small phone, not working too great for me. Yeah. And if you're not out, I guess it doesn't matter. Right? Like, if you're not out that often, it's not that big of a deal.
I just got tired of busting up the laptop trying to trade that on the road.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That was the last time I traded on the laptop.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. With you, it's a huge advantage as well to have any kind of mobile. And mobile Ninja Trader is really good because you just need a TradeOvate connection. So if you have a TradeOvate connection, whatever company you went with that has a TradeOvate connection, you just go to Ninja, download the mobile app, and then just put in your username and password for your TradeOvate connection, and that gives you access to Mobile Ninja. That's it. The only thing that it won't do is it won't do Rhythmic. So
yeah.
My problem is I have a bunch of rhythmic accounts. Everybody already knows this. I have a bunch of accounts through Leeloo, right, that are rhythmic, and it kind of sucks now because I have to have 12 trading days with them, and I can't. And I'm not going to tell you that I'm going to move away from Leeloo currently, but it's became hard. Like, I just finished yesterday, or not yesterday, Thursday. I just finished my 12 days for the accounts. No, I'm wrong. I finished it for one of them. I've got more accounts that I have to get 2 more trading days this week. So I have to take 2 more trades for trading days this week. And you can see where we are on the month. This is the last week of the month. And I still need 2 more trading days to get a couple of accounts through. That just shows you I'm having a tough time keeping up with that 12 trading days. And everybody says, well, 12 trading days is nothing. And I get what you're saying, but when you're out a lot, 12 trading days is tough. And the way I trade, 12 trading days is tough. You only got 20 trading days in a month, right? And if you have a holiday, well, now that's put it down because that day don't count. And now if you're away for a day or two, 12 days is tough. I mean, it is. They go, you lose them quick. So, where if I was on my way to a doctor's appointment or at a doctor's appointment or coming back from a doctor's appointment or whatever, I could trade. And I've even looked at the charts. I've been sitting here looking at TradingView. The wife's like, oh my gosh, you can't even get out of trading. No, I can't. I'm sitting in the doctor's office waiting for us to go in for her to see the doctor, and I've got TradingView pulled up, but there's not a lot I can do with it, right? I mean, not for Leeloo's trading days. So I could take trades inside the doctor's office. It wouldn't matter if they weren't rhythmic accounts. So
the doctor looks at you weird and it's for the baby.
Yeah, exactly.
How dare you let me get out of my trade first?
Oh, you took any trades yet?
Took 1 so far, but sorry, 2, but I'm only like that for a couple of dollars. Just sort of jumping in and out, trying to find my way around here. The ranges that we're in, that's highly dangerous. It's just bouncing between. I've about 4 different levels here, and it's just basically floor apartment between them all. So. Plus, we also have a new all-time high.
Oh yeah.
I'm not going for first place. I'm just going for placement. Maybe top 400. I'm not gonna gamble this shit.
I'm gonna gamble the fuck out of it.
Paul's like, why lie? I'm gonna gamble it.
Was it free to enter?
Yeah.
That's the only reason I'm doing this.
I caught that long on gold. If I was gambling
Nice.
it, I would have just held both my contracts, but that's what I mean. I just can't. I'm not a full port kind of guy.
Yes, I understand that. That's, a lot of the times all you have to do is just outlast the rest of them until you get a decent move.
Exactly.
What's the drawdown? How much
There
it
is
for
the
you?
whole account. You can just risk the whole account, but obviously if you're in drawdown, you're not gonna get out. If you're that deep in drawdown.
He said full port.
You can only do 3 contracts, unfortunately.
Full port with 3 contracts.
Yeah, just literally go open close without a stop loss and just let's see what it does. Good idea, actually. Okay, I'm gonna try this for the crack.
That was an 11-point move on gold right there. If I just held, damn, 200. I'd be in like the top 40.
A weekly top 40 in the jam.
Is that just in trades? This this market mommy in this. That was in the video you sent. She exposed Tori.
Oh yes. Tori trades.
TickTickTrader is in 100th drawdown. He's like one of the mentors all the Gen Z guys look up to.
Yeah.
And he's losing.
Who is it?
How are you losing in the first 10 minutes? That's crazy.
Who is it?
TickTickTrader. He's
wow.
He's up there with TJR, like with
Oh,
education.
gotcha. And this is what kills me. I can't believe people don't see that. Then, like when they see all these people doing all these things, why is it that that's done now? Why is it that they don't, take notice of this?
He's got 400k subs.
Holy crap!
Yep.
I've never heard of any of these guys anymore. I've never kept up with any of them anymore. I remember, I know TJR or whatever you're talking about, because all the guys used to talk about him way back when. But there's really nobody in this server talking about the new people who come out, so I don't know most of them anymore.
We've all copped on to what they're like. That's why I don't think anybody cares anymore. That's what we expect.
Yep. Very true. If this hour closes above.
I'm aiming for 850 Joshimon. The NQ, I think it gets stopped out here.
I'm dwindling in the middle of NQ right now, so I'm just kind of like waiting for it to either warm up or cool down.
Great. Like I said, I'm just doing a bit of degenning here. I'll just have $40.
See what this 4 hour gives us, guys. Hopefully I mean, it's Monday. I don't expect much on Monday. I don't know about you guys, but I don't expect much. Like I said, I will be here all week this week. I don't think there's anything that we have, if I'm correct. So this week we're here all week, and then next week, which is the first week of November, I will be out Monday and Wednesday. But finally, after all this time, we'll have a Friday that we can trade. That thing was driving me nuts, no Fridays, but that was the brace place. She finally has the brace now. It's absolute most ridiculous thing that you've ever seen in your life. I don't know why it's so tough to do these things, but it's just, at the end of the day, it looks similar to a back brace, kind of, but it goes like underneath her stomach, and it's got like a back brace piece in it. They call it a baby brace. Craziest thing you ever seen. And then it goes up and over her stomach as well to kind of hold her stomach up, and it's working. She said it's she doesn't have near the pain now that she's been wearing it since Fridays when she's been wearing it, and it's worked well. So that's very, very good. But the things you have to go through to get anything in the medical industry is just absolutely insane to me. Like, her doctor puts in the prescription, and then you go to the specialist with the prescription, and then they size you, and then you come back once they order it and get it in, and then they fit it. But the problem is, and you can think, well, it's like Amazon, it's just overnight. Well, you gotta wait for the next time they're available, the specialist. So you wait a week before you can ever even get this stupid thing. It's completely crazy to me how slow everything is, but I guess that's just how it works. Very dumb.
Plus, they get to charge you twice instead of doing it all at the one time.
You are absolutely right about that too. They get visits every single time, even though you just go in and they just measure you. Well, that's a visit. Yep, that's an office visit. So you get charged for that, and then you come back to get fitted. Yep, that's an office visit again. You are exactly right.
Oh yes, and I understand how the for-profit model works. It's
for profit. Oh my jeez. It's true though. It is true.
Better Kane with 20k subs is down 400.
let's see if they get a look here. Keep forgetting about this.
Hey Paul, are you still? Do you ever use that indicator, or do you not?
Which one? Which one?
The one that I gave you. I don't know. I want to be careful what I say,
No.
just in case we got ears.
No.
Okay. So you just don't have. You don't have no use for it. Okay.
All I think that for curve with one here, we get everything that we need to know, draw our lines, and the way we go.
Yeah. I mean, he gave me he hadn't asked me again today, but he wanted to know all the people that were on it. So. And he hadn't asked me today because I told him, I said, let me know. I couldn't do it on the cell phone, so I said, let me know Monday. And he hadn't reached out to me to let me know, but I was just going to give him a screenshot with your name on it as well because it's on there, and then see what he says. But you know,
better come looking for money.
Yeah, that's why I asked you if you used it or not, because he might be like, oh well, why is he on there? Because I put him on there. So, but if you don't use it, I guess it don't much matter.
Nope, you can see my charts. I post my charts every day, and you can see exactly what I use.
Yeah.
You know, man, Josh, this thing keeps looking like it wants to go higher and higher.
That's it rhymes with the crash.
The MYM's making a move down to close the gap, so the Dow is taking the lead. What's the SPY doing?
Okay, if you guys go and look at what the people just posted. What's that one? Okay, some of them are different, I guess, but a few of them are the same. Not all of them are the same. I can't believe it. They just did it this morning. It's MAIA, whatever that is. So it just got posted. For anybody that does stocks, I guess it's a good one. Only a couple of them posted it though. It's biotechnology. Anyway, doesn't matter. Hopefully that's not coming across the YouTube. No, it's not. All right.
Welcome to the jungle, better check that map. I'm scalping ghosts, I'm trading smoke. NQ's laughing, man, this ain't no joke. But I'll be back with a plan so tight, cause even NQ gotta sleep at night. So if you ride with NQ, better bring
Closed above nothing. Mondays are slow, guys. I am not a fan of this at all. I gotta be honest with you.
this market's chaos, but it's all legit.
4-hour open. Hate to take a counter trend, but may not be the ugliest here.
Look Good. Oh, sniper shot.
This break of this high here. That stop is way too big. I would have liked to seen it break the lows first. Hopefully she comes back down and breaks the lows first. But if you're looking for a counter trend type move, the flip on the 4 wouldn't be bad. But again, I would like to see it break lows first.
NQ just hit another all-time high. You should have.
Gold got mood swings jumping out the gate. 1 minute smooth, next ceiling fade. Quiet like a whisper, then boom with a bang. Breaking all structure, killing your plan. It ain't just metal, it's a living flame. Dancing on dreams, never moves the same. Gold got mood swings, best stay wise. You blink once, there go your prize. News drop, spike, FOMC night fight. Inflation fears, or rate hike tears, they'll jump.
Yep, there's the break. There it is. There's the lows broke. Very nice, very nice.
What a move.
Yeah, she did good there.
That was pretty fast.
Let's see if we can get everybody induced to be shorting, because now all their longs are definitely... Or if they're going to try to long this bottom again. There's the big telltale, right? It may keep trying to come in and long it. Oof.
And Q just keeps rubbing.
Yup.
Oh, should have stayed around.
This was a huge gap. We're in right now.
Yep.
Very interesting.
They rushing loud, I'm moving silence. Gold made me rich off pure compliance. Rules I wrote,
Didn't even
now I
tap into it.
flow. Seeing that setup, yeah, I let it grow. No fear trades, I'm built from loss. Every scar taught me how to boss. Gold's my canvas, I paint in ticks. Turn pullbacks into candle wicks.
Every move I take, gold in my favor. Patience pay off, now I taste the flavor. Profit so clean, don't need no savior. I'm the one, go feel the labor.
Woke up, check the zone, still valid. Entry hit smooth, now the chart look lavish. People chase hype, I chase the truth. Go show love when your mind got proof. I don't flinch when it starts to dance. I'm the reason price got that glance. Strategy, cold, discipline, rare. Why they guess I breathe market air.
Every move I take, gold in my favor. Patience paid off, now I taste the flavor. Profit so clean, don't need no savior. I'm the one, go feel the labor. Stack these wins with grace and fire. I don't fall, I climb higher. Gold in my lane, flowing like fame. Marked my zone, now I dominate.
Walk down around 4002 as well.
I see you watching how I move, trying to figure out the rules, but what you see ain't what it seems. I got the keys to everything. Charts don't lie.
This is still falling from the top that I called.
Yeah. Yeah, lovely. 4061 was definitely the resistance region. So you're not limited to the size of the stop loss, Josh, even if you can use in this competition, are you?
Huh?
You're not that limited to the size of the stop loss. And I can just go now and open up a trading plan and say a 200 tick stop loss in gold just later on.
Well, that's what they're all doing. That's why they're all dying.
Okay. Right, I'm looking, hoping for 4002. That's what I'm holding on for now because there's nothing to lose.
But it's also a retarded strategy because it only works. Like, there's no point in it. You're just gonna get into drawdown instead of catching the actual highs or lows. You know what I mean? So like, since he can't DCA, what's the point? You're not gonna get a better fill. You're just gonna end up sitting through drawdown.
Yeah, no, I got quite a good full on that one. Like I said, I had my target set. It broke outside the range that I had drawn up. So that's why I hopped into the short on that one. Again, like I said, I would be obviously just held a lot tighter with a stop loss, but I'm giving it a wild lot of room to breathe and just to see what happens. Like I said, this isn't, I'm not applying the normal rules of trading whenever we're doing this.
I hope everyone just kills themselves, because this is so dead. It's like, I don't see anything, especially on NQ.
Yeah, NQ keeps making all-time highs, man. But now we're right at the very top of 1 minute range. It's back to the ranging thing again. We had a couple of nice range trades earlier on, but again, we weren't in the competition whenever that happened. From when we started, the 5 minute orb has been practically magnetic, so we're back down testing that now as well, so I'm not even sure which way she's going to go. Just hope for this gold now to keep dropping down now in the 4 hour. But again, I wouldn't be overly optimistic as such. Like I said, I'm going to hold on for 4002 or break even.
Look at my my line from Asia and NQ. Look how well it worked with the structure.
Yeah.
Could have just milked it up and down.
What time frame? The one?
On the one, yeah. It's like I only see one break even, maybe a loss, which is like 920. That's like the only one I see.
Nice.
It wasn't even like one that you really have to take because it's like high highs better.
Yeah, close that gold trade out at break even just to be on the safe side.
Yeah, you
Very nice, very nice.
It's great.
Yeah, I don't want to blow it all in one go.
Yeah, no point.
Yep.
Just be patient, let these guys kill themselves.
I am seeing the leaderboard now, very nice. Isn't it hilarious that all of the featured traders are down at the very bottom? literally is. Speaking of clowns, let me see what's my favorite.
Oh shit, I see that.
I
That's
should have been using-
crazy. They're down. This Kane guy's down 800, and he's on the actual live stream.
These people have no shame.
Like, just place a stop loss. What?
Apparently, she doesn't use stop losses.
Don't get how you can have a YouTube channel and just not understand how to place a stop loss. Like how are you gonna teach 20,000 people and be down 800 on 3 micros in not even an hour? That's ridiculous. Like, the market's not even moving, man.
Yeah. Top steps down minus 103. I must keep these guys up now in the background and even grab some good counter trades of these boys.
Featured traders. I bait 2 of them.
Yeah, the
6,
CM
9.
on the bottom bracket.
What are featured traders, guys? I don't really understand any of the.
Social media traders, influencers.
Oh. All right, Werner. It's time to start a YouTube channel, Werner, and start selling courses. You got this.
Absolutely.
Unbelievable. I don't get it, guys. I'm never gonna understand.
Well, if Top Step can get away reality on a daily basis doing what they do, there is literally nothing that you cannot get away with. Literally. There's nothing you cannot get away with. If you can go on and trade as bad as these guys do and have 186,000 subscribers with 4,300 people watching at this exact point in time and trade the way that they do, there's hope for us all.
Very true.
Yeah, but don't they have like bots in that stream?
Oh, I would imagine they do. Or else there's 4,200 people like myself that are watching them for the crack and just to counter trade them. But I somehow or another don't think that's the case. I think I'm in the minority in that 4,500 crew there.
The comments don't look like real people. Unless they're just really dumb.
Oh, they're really dumb. Trust me about this, they are really, really, really dumb. What was that old saying? So I can't remember who said it. It says, you know how half of the population is really dumb? He goes, pick that and half that again, you might be getting near the number. So yeah, and we've discovered through trading that we're chatting about 98%. See, Ireland elected its first ever communist as a president. They had mad ones over the weekends, just absolutely unbelievable.
Why is this guy looking at the DOM, man? Does he think it makes him look like a better trader?
Yep.
Showing market depth?
Yep.
It doesn't even mean it.
What are you talking about? Market depth is everything, just shame. That makes you look way cooler because people don't understand what it is. So, I mean, that's just way better. Looks confusing. Nobody gets it. There's a push through.
Come on, 4002.
Getting close. Getting close.
Smack that VWAP. Yeah, it's got a market structure down around 4004. You can pass through that.
I was looking for the 0.5 net. Whoops. 0.5 next to this range right here was kind of what my thought was. We'll see if we get there, but I know what I was thinking, which is 4004. So I'm about the same spot. I'm looking about the same spot as you, and it looks like she's going to tap now. That's the next spot. We already hit this one. Went through that. No setup there. There's the pop. Did that make it? Yeah, you made it, right? Yeah.
Yes.
2.3. Beautiful, beautiful. Very nice.
I'll just take some profit here now, just stay on the 6 side even because stupid ass competition.
Very nice, very nice. Let's see what she does when she breaks this low. And tap it again. She may not, though. I think she should come through pop, and then it should pop down. Long's tried to come in there. There it goes. There we go.
Score another one for the VWAPs.
Very nice, very nice.
I'm getting really greedy now. I'm going for 3992. Oh, this is fun.
He said this is fun. I can see it getting there. 5, Dylan.
Only allows me to use 2 micros, Joshine.
Yeah, only 2 on gold and oil.
Okay, right. So I want to close this out for 144 to see if it even registers on that.
Yikes. 144. You'll probably be doing pretty well then.
And my big worry was that the 402 would act as resistance buddy, and I was only just on the shorter time frame, so I just want to see my name on this board so I can screenshot it. It's literally no reason.
It only goes down to top 100, I think.
Right. Okay, cool.
But you can see where you are. You can see your details. I'm 455th right now. You'll be ahead of me. Someone
No. I got some seriously bad trades on the NQ here. So I'm bleeding, or I'm pepper cutting myself here. But again, like I said, I'm having a good time doing it. Getting too excited and taking too many trades that just weren't matching up, but to be expected. Get a few more trades, we'll get a few more moves under the belt and see what happens. Happy with that golden.
It's not the worst thing if you take pretty shitty trades, since you only have 1 day. You can't win by being a good trader, I guess. Like, it's possible this is the only move of the day right here if it just falls down on MQ, and then we just don't get anything else. And then if that happens, I'm fucked. But I don't care. I care about consistency.
We're just sticking around inside the orb on gold.
It dropped like a rock and then whoop, it floated back up like a little floater.
That's what I'm seeing. It's still very hard to get an entry here. I'd like to see it sweep the orb again. You get a bit of a chance, but just have to submit.
What is orb? What
Sorry. It's the opening range balance, the 5-minute opening range balance on the Nasdaq. Normally I mark out the top and the bottom of that there. Some people use the 15. It just depends what strategy. I don't really have a strategy as such. It's more just of a level. And then I just watch it for the rest of the day, and you'll notice that a lot of the time it'll either stick inside the orb or it'll make a nice big move out of it and then back up again and sweep it. So it just depends. It all does just a line. I know a lot of people develop strategies from this. I haven't figured it out yet, but I just like to have the line on because it does show you a wide lot of where the range is happening. So if you look, just mark the top 5 minutes and the bottom 5 minutes. I'll just drop a chart onto the chat so you can see what I'm chatting about. You've probably seen this anyway.
That sounds kind of like why I didn't. One of my rules for a long time was not to trade until 3, so I could see the opening range.
Yeah, that's the other way. It depends. Everybody chooses a different range for the initial balance. It just depends what your strategy is. Or let me see what's these clowns doing.
Because they can chop around a lot in that first 30 minutes.
Oh, very, very much so. It's kind of, there's a lot of gambling. Well, depending what system you're using, some people will say that if you get your 5-minute candle, drop down to the 1 minute, wait for displacement, wait for the fair value gap, and then long or short, depending which direction it's going. Dennis likes that system. He seems to do okay with it.
I hadn't seen him around in a bit either.
No, he must be out on the road or something.
Yeah.
Grinding up this market here. They said I couldn't make it. Said I should quit trading. Now look who's calculating. While they stay hating. Hey.
Ah, Mr. Y, that's a lot of trades.
Yeah, Mr. Y trades a lot.
Did you see the chart I posted from last Friday, reality?
I don't think so, no. Why, was it a lot of trades too?
I think I broke a record. Let me see.
Oh, jeez.
I'll put on for the crack. Yeah, it was one of those days. It was just a lot of exploring, a lot of stuff learned. Myself and Josh were going over his system for on Wednesday and Friday. So I was taking trades left, right, and center.
Let's see.
Here for you, I'll drop it down to you.
Okay.
Okay, image. Give you an idea of what I was at.
Holy moly. Yeah, there's a couple trades on there.
Yeah.
Jeez. Jeez. There's a couple trades.
Yeah, I think that was definitely my most manic day ever of trading.
You missed a couple of moves there, Paul.
Did he miss something? Did he miss something? I didn't see anything he missed. Gosh.
From zero, now I'm up. Studied the game, built it up. Losses taught me what I know. Now I move smart, watch it grow in my zone. Trust on screen, everything moving clean.
It's right here. This is the 0.5 of that range, guys, which is also the 0.5 of the big vector on, well, whatever time frame you want to even go on. Over to the left prior to that range. And we have super consolidation. I mean, Not that you can see it on this chart. Well, the 5 kind of shows it. You're going to see it on lower time frame. See? Yeah, 2. 1. I mean, for all you guys just sit there and watch the candles build. Super consolidation now. Let's see, probably even the 800. Let's see. Yeah, look at the 800. Same deal. We tapped it, and she is just consolidating. Let's see what we can... anything we can take advantage of here. I mean, there was a setup on the 5. Of course, Warner probably gets this when she held, came down, broke the lows, left the doji, broke the high for the move back up. Do we expect her to go back up? Yeah, we expect that she's going to come back up here and touch the 0.5 of the drop, which would be here. Expect she's going to go. Do we have a entry? No. Expectations. I can't. Oil's so funny because she's not leaving any dang wicks. Wicks are ugly both ways. A wick on this candle. A wicks to the downside. It is rough. Your sideways is just the same on oil too. Have been sideways. Super consolidation. All the way down.
Take a breath, every L just shows the test. Build it up, break it down, analyze without the stress. Then
Had 15 set up either. Back up, all joking aside. Here, there is our circle. The problem is trying to get involved. We got to see what she does once she gets there, I guess, because there's just involved with the 30 about to close. Looks like she's going to close outside that gap, too.
charts on my screen, mind in the zone, studying patterns while I'm all alone. Fuck all the bullshit, this ain't no game. When I hit that trade, watch the profit rain. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Quick with the clicks, analysis tight. Market's moving, but I time it right. See that signal, I don't hesitate. Years of losses taught me how to navigate. Finger on the trigger.
There's nothing I can do.
Each trade I take, built from lessons past. Fucking with precision, watch how I flow. Red to green, baby, that's how we go. Charts telling stories, I read them clear. While amateurs panic, I persevere. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Community strong, we share what we know. Trade we take helps the other one grow. Fuck the FOMO, we stay.
Anybody got any questions?
Assassins, highly rated, break down resistance, support won't bend. Technical
Anything today? What did I just do? I just minimized everything. Don't know how I did that, but okay. Must have minimized the YouTube first.
Slow it down, let me tell you something clear. Every
Man, I should have held on to that. Nah, I would have been stopped with annoying that. No point in even thinking that. It was for the 3992 bucks. You know yourself.
Yep. Yeah, there's just nothing to do here. Hey, she's just running down, no top wicks, just running. She can't get a entry to the bottom. She can't come up to get these highs so that we can try to trade back down. There's just nothing I can do with it. Again, guys, if you can get something like this to where you come back up and try to find an entry to trade back, or she breaks these lows, that'd be great. Holds here, you could try to trade up. Trade up, you know, hard for me to get involved. Loss is too big, but some low up to this area. Hard. Break those highs first. I'm not in love with that at all. I'd rather try to. And you're short back down. I'm not a big fan of counter trend trading today, I'll be honest with you. Seen a couple areas where you could have maybe grabbed a couple to try to get involved there. Not saying it won't work, just saying it's going to be tough. Get along back into this area, I will tell you, there is a gap there. So you will get a gap here, so there will be shorts that come in, stop losses above to put a wick on this candle. So I kind of like the trade up. You know what I mean? Because honestly, this view, you're looking at something like this to where you're coming to put a wick up here on this candle. So your stop, you know, somewhere below wherever your low is here. Right? But it's got to be below your low. Obviously, we don't know we have a low until we break the high. If we're here, then this would be ideal, but we could come back in and break the low more. Stop loss just too big for me already. If you're looking for that counter trend move, I'm going to wait and see what happens up in this area once we get up here, expecting she's going to come up here. I will do. You'll already be in profit. If you're looking here, you know, you'll already be in profit. 130-ish ticks. About 1,300 per contract if you just try to take the run there. Anybody got any questions, guys?
You still trade 2 minis?
Yeah. Yep.
So do you have to look for smaller stops now, since you just measured that stop and that was like,
yeah, that stop was
3K.
Yeah, that stop's too big. It's a funny thing. Do I have to look for smaller stops? I've actually upped account size. Just shame. So I'm still using same contract size, but I'm using bigger account, so my stops can be bigger.
Makes sense.
Yeah, so instead of 50s, I'm running, I'll run these bigger stops on, depending on how big the stop is, 150s and 300s. So, but I still use same account size.
That's why I've been struggling with this MFF eval, because just the switching back to a 50k after being on a 150k sucks a bit.
Yeah, it's tough. For me, I like the bigger accounts now that the moves are bigger. You got to think, and I mean, I'm not trying to be crazy about gold, but I mean, if you look at the normal size of these wicks anymore, you know, that's a 100 tick wick there, and this isn't how the price used to move. This wick here, let's just see, you know, this wick is 75 ticks, and I mean, our average wicks back, you know, a year ago were 30, 25, 30 tick wicks. So these candles are just way bigger. So I've upped account size to negate that, but not position size. So my positions stay exactly the same, but my accounts now are bigger to take these trades on when they get like this. So I'm still running in queue on 50Ks. So like the algo trades, I'm still running on 50K counts. But gold, I'm running gold on 150s and 300s depending on the position. So hopefully that makes sense. Just because you can't run them on 50s anymore. I mean, I don't feel like there's enough room. You're gonna pass every position. You have your choice between going down to micros, which I can't get it in the micro game. And I know a lot of you guys do it. I don't know. I can't stand it. So that's where I'm at with it. There's the break of the low. I don't like that the fees are so high. I just can't do it. I just can't do it for how much you pay on the fee compared to what you make. You have to have tons of ticks of profit just to cover your contract. To where one tick of profit covers 2 contracts on a micro. I mean on a mini. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So you already know my strategy, the way I trade, you TP at recovery a wick or whatever, 0.5, depending on where we're at, right? You TP there, and then you go to +1. Well, I can't go to +1 to cover my contracts. So for me, it just doesn't work. If I go to +1, whatever profit I made on the first sell of the first contract is all profit, and the +1 covers the fees on the other 2 contracts. So essentially, and it actually covers a little bit more than that, but essentially my first TP is complete profit. Where if I use a micro, if I use 2 micros and do the exact same thing, let's just say you're only using 2, +1 doesn't cover your fees. So now you're eating into your profits the whole time. I think you have to have like 6 ticks or something to be BE. Yeah, it's absurd. I mean, if you run through it and see, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's something like that. It's like 5 ticks, 6 ticks. I don't know exactly, but it's too much. It's not for my liking. You know what I mean? Essentially, you're taking, let's just say that you take profit at 20 ticks. Well, now you've got 6 tick, 8 into that if you get hit at BE +1. Essentially, you got 5, 6 ticks that are broke back into that per contract. So you've made nothing. I mean, that's my problem, is the commissions with it. But that's just me. Like I say, it depends on how you trade. A lot of people like micros because they can put stop loss that's much further away and hold their positions for much longer. And if that's how you trade, then by all means, it works, right? It's much better. But for my style of trading, minis just work better, So what I chose to do is, instead of what it used to be, is I'd run 2 minis on a 50K and then 4 minis on a 150K, because the 150Ks essentially are double. Even though people think they're triple, they're actually double. That's how I used to do it, but now what I've done is I've just sized up and I run 2 minis on 150Ks and 2 minis on 300Ks, dependent on stop loss size. Makes up for it. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that's what I've swapped to. I talked about it when I did it here. It's been months ago, but yeah. And then I'm still running NQ though on 50Ks currently. I may move that up. I don't know. I don't know yet. If I move NQ up, I'll probably move size up as well. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not sure yet. Did I miss anything here? If I delay, it works perfectly. If I enter a trigger, it reverses and makes an opposing move first. Micro commission is great. Yeah, it is. My commission today is $70. Yeah. BE +4. Okay, +4. I wasn't sure exactly what it was, Warner, but yeah, that's the thing. I'm nearly 300 down today. Was 200 down on Friday. Tried the algo on Thursday, down 100, but what is new? Changing your trading strategy. Yeah. Nothing wrong with strategy. It's me. I posted 2 entries earlier. Tapped my TP 3 times and stopped me out. That happens daily. I will tell you something about that too. And it's nothing that so much as a thing, but if for some reason, let's just say, Warner, let's just say for instance, and I'll just draw this up real quick. Let's just say that you entered here and your TP is the green line. Obviously this looks crazy as we're looking at the stop loss, but anyways, your TP is the green line. If she comes up and she taps it real quick and then reverses, you might just think of going BE. Not telling you what to do, but if it just tips up there real fast, taps it, and then it's coming down and taking you back out, maybe think of just going BE quick. The only reason that I say that is because a lot of times that's just an induction. You know, they are inducement. Let's say it that way, inducement. They just induce the longs. That's why you get that quick push up. You now have shorted out the shorts and induce the longs if you get that quick move right there. You know, when you're watching these candles, I realize a lot of people don't pay attention to how those candles build, but just say that this is the candle we're working on. You're watching these candles and it's sitting here doing this number right here, and it comes up and it taps this high and it goes boom real quick and then comes back down, boom real quick and comes back down. All it's doing is stopping out the shorts and inducing the longs to drop back down. Right? I mean, been through this 100 times, so just an idea there. But even with my normal strat triggers, it happens daily. Huh. Really?
It sounds like your target levels are almost there, but you're off. Been there, done that. You guys have heard me bitch about that. So maybe instead of remove some quarters off that. If you're doing Nasdaq, let's say you're targeting 25,700. Why don't you start targeting 25? You know, front running it. And you're gonna see majority of the time anything above your TP is just to induce whatever side it's on. So try lowering your TP by take profit hit, by the way. So just lower it by $1. Yeah, you might be like, oh, that's 4 ticks or whatever, but is it really? Would you rather get out fully or whatever, or would you rather constantly be off by 25 cents and you kick yourself because you're like, oh, that was like a $1,200 trade and I gave back half of it? That's the most annoying part. Trust me, I've been there, done that. Just try that. Just reduce your TPs by $1.
Right here, guys, it should be where she could break up. I did 0.5 of this wick, just for everybody that's paying attention here. 0.5 of this wick to 0.5 of this range. So your stop should be good if we could break these highs here. I'd like to see the 0.5 of this wick tested first. So this is your low. And then your entry would be here for this position we were just talking about earlier. Same exact one, right? So we're clear.
Well, if you're saying that your take profits are random 30 and 40 ticks, that's probably your problem. I mean, if you're just entering in automatically going from 30, 40 ticks, I guarantee you're going to get wrecked a lot. Because most trades are not, unless you catch the perfect entry, most trades are not 30, 40, or 50. Right? It depends where you enter. So instead of that 40, now it's 18 ticks.
Numbers flow like the brew in my cup. Some days down, but we keep looking up. You showed me how to read these signs. Now every morning feels like yours and mine. Remember what you taught me about staying cool. When markets get wild, I follow your rules.
See if we can get that 0.5 test real quick, guys, and then I will pull it over. If anybody's trying to look at this, but I'd like to see this 0.5 test first. So let's see. We want to see it come down, test the 0.5. I think it was about right here, and then come up and break these highs. I know some of you might just take the break, but I would not take the break until it tests this 0.5. Just me. And you guys do you, but that's what I'd like to see. So we got no top wick on this candle. We got a flip. That's high. That's all it is. But we want to really test the 0.5 there if we can. If you just take it by all means, that's how I look at that position there for that close. You target this area here, right? If you guys just take it to take it, by all means, just know that you have to be careful of your stop loss. Right? So, stop loss should still be somewhere down near this 0.5 here of that area. See, because you've never put a bottom wick on this. Does that make sense? And then,
I guess the other question would be, are you trading Nasdaq or MNQ? Because there's a reason why I trade MNQ and not NQ.
Just like steam rising up warm. Let it brew,
MNQ and NGC.
let it brew just like your morning cup.
I'll have to look at one of your trades just to figure out.
Watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up.
Oh, and you're also doing NinjaTrader. Dude, that's why I started doing NinjaTrader. Literally, because of the exact same issue. Once I realized you're doing NinjaTrader, that's why I started doing Trade-O-Bait. I got so sick and tired of being off by, you know, even $1 and constantly losing so money. And then I actually started seeing more success personally when I switched off of NinjaTrader, because NinjaTrader, like, everything for me, it felt like I had to be perfect. And I got tired of being like, how perfect can I be off by 25 cents? You know what I mean? So I remember that is why I stopped trading on NinjaTrader, because I felt like my take profits were always off. And I'm like, how?
13.1.
That's one thing I
Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. I've seen too many burn out, trying to catch every wave.
No, yeah, that's all I can say. I could never figure out why it did that, and I also got tired of the like certain indicators shifting whenever you would zoom in and zoom out, and I got tired of that. There's probably my two main reasons why I stopped trading on NinjaTrader, because I don't know, I felt like with NinjaTrader it was definitely off by, so to me it just felt like something was off, that I was constantly off by 25 and 50 cents or whatever, to the point where I felt like I was actually losing money at every time I entered on NinjaTrader, and I got tired of carrying the laptop.
Watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience.
May not get triggered here, guys. We'll have to find a setup on the next candle. 0.5 is about to get tested, which is good there. But we got to break them highs in order to. 0.5 should be about right here. Wherever this goes is where our stop loss will move to, right? For the low here. And maybe we get the next candle for an hour candle. That will help us even more. We'll see here. For the hour close. And you might want to wait until the hour close. But completely up to you. But that's essentially what it looks like. We got no top wick here. So what will we look at next, right? Next will be, you can see this here. What we'll look for is a down wick and then a flip on the next candle. So then we could take advantage of the down wick for that move. Does that make sense? So essentially we wait, right? because we only got 10 minutes left. Only 7 minutes, actually. Wait for this next candle to open. So we're still targeting this high here, but the next candle will give us a smaller stop loss. Does that make sense? I'm gonna stay here for a minute. Normally I close up by now, but I'm gonna stay here and let's see if we can get involved here, guys.
And I kind of remember the other reason too, Warner, was that even though your line for take profit was, let's say, like, I'm just gonna pick up random numbers, like 98.25, whenever I would drag that onto NinjaTrader, it felt like it would always be one tick above my actual. So even though it was telling me it was 25, it really was more like 75. That was another reason why I started front running all my stuff, because of NinjaTrader, and then it just became a habit. But that's also what I felt. I kept seeing on my charts.
Morning light creeps through my window pane. Before the world wakes, I'm in my domain. Steam rising slow like thoughts in my brain. Watching lines that move like waves of grain. Every morning's got its own sweet flow. Some days fast, but mostly moving slow. Learning how to read which way things go. Finding peace in what these mornings show. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear, that's what I see. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear, that's what I see. Fuck the noise, I'm focused on my path. Reading signals through the aftermath.
Oh, she slowed up, guys. Still, you're working with the same thing. If you're looking at the 5 minute, right? Hopefully everybody gets this. If anybody has any questions, let me know. But this is what we're looking at, right? That's essentially your range currently. Makes sense?
Every cup of wisdom brings me wealth beyond what's sitting on my shelf. Filter through the static, find the flow that's magic. In the quiet hour, let it all unfold.
But she is just basically stuck in it currently. 3 minutes. We'll see how this close comes. If we get any opportunity in the close, we do need a bottom wick there. If we get any opportunity in this close, we will take advantage of it. If not, I will shut down. Anybody got any questions for today? It is Monday. Anything, guys? like this. Yeah. Hmm. All I can say,
Me
Warner,
and
and I'm not.
Joshie will probably be on
Okay.
for doing this competition for the rest of the day. So, if anyone wants
Beautiful,
to
beautiful.
drop by, feel free.
Beautiful, beautiful. Warner, the only thing I can tell you is if it zips up into your take profit real quick and doesn't take it, if it's really just like a quick wick up into your take profit, I would go to PE, only to secure yourself from losing. Because if you get a quick move like that, and that's what I talk about when I talk about candles building, if you get a quick move like that, a lot of times that is just, you know, if your take profit is up, just say, that is just inducing longs and stopping the shorts out before the move down. And I mean, you can see it in the candle. If it's just a quick bing up into your stop loss, bing, bing, and then falls apart, or goes down into your stop loss, bing, bing, and then comes back up. But if that's not what it is, then I don't know. But if that is what it is, right? Not really quick during London. Creeping up, tap reverse, creeping up reverse. Oh, I gotcha. Yeah. Everybody's got to be either taking profit there, right? Or they are opening positions there if it's coming back down, right? I mean, if it goes up to your take profit and then comes back down, they got to either be opening shorts there. So think, you know, your M tops or your fair value gaps or things like that. They're either opening positions there or taking profit there, or a little bit of both. I mean, it could be both, right? But yeah. But yeah, if anybody's not in the Discord,
Right there.
beautiful, beautiful. If you look at those images I posted, it is the middle of nowhere. Let me see. I didn't see where you posted.
I'm all out. It's been rough, man, because I'm looking at MES and MEQ at the same time, and they're just so tight. The ranges are so small. But I'm only looking for these trades to just be on the leaderboard, to be honest.
Let's be stopped out and profit in that one. I'm never going to get in the leaderboard lumped in this way, but it'll be alright.
I mean, you could gamble it and just fucking range trade it. If it stays like this all day, you'll fucking be at the top. But
that's what I'm trying to do, waiting for it to get back into its range again.
yeah,
So yeah, it's just a matter I need to trade a little bit slower.
That first image, it just looks like, to me, and I mean, I don't know, that doji in the middle there had essentially very little bottom wick. I mean, I don't know if that's what it is, but you put on a bottom wick and just created a higher low. You just didn't tap the bottom of the wick. You know what I mean? I see it, but you just didn't tap the low. The second one, you know, that's a triple top. I mean, as far as you look at it, which is probably, if you would have took profit, I don't know. Again, you've got a no wickless candle, so you expect to put a wick on to the left, that blue candle, but the wick, how big is it going to be? How do you judge the wick? Well, it'll be that gray doji. So the 0.5 of that gray doji, and I don't know where you took profit at. I don't know where that is, but the one that's got the 1 above it, that gray doji, the 0.5 of that would have been an ideal place to take profit for me, because you got no wick there. So what do you expect? You expect that 0.5 is going to get tested to put the wick on that blue candle. So I don't know if you can pull that 0.5 and see where the take profit would have been with what I'm telling you here, or if it would have been any good. I don't know. You look at it and you see. I don't know where that is. I don't know exactly, but that's what I look at when I see it, right? Does that make any sense? So the second image, you see what I'm saying? The blue candle, you've got a 1 over this gray doji candle. The one beside it has no top wick. So to me, where I see the candle going to reverse, you know, in the future is putting a wick on that candle, and it should be the 0.5 of the gray candle. So the 0.5 of that gray candle wick, which I assume is about where it went, but I don't know. Right. And the other one was just front running the low, sadly. I mean, that's what you'll see that now and again. They just front ran the low. That's all that happened. You had no wick on the blue candle. Came down, they just front ran the low on you. That happens a lot, sadly. My entry was here. See the little red line below the blue candle? Oh, entry was there. Okay, yeah, that one they just front ran the low. That's all they did there. I see it. That one, there's nothing you can do about. The other one I like better though. The second one. So your entry was the red line here, I guess. The other one, my take profit would have been the 0.5 of that gray candle to the left that has a 1 above it, that little doji. Because that would have been putting the wick on the blue candle. You see what I'm saying? That makes sense, I hope. I don't think we got nothing on that open, did we? She just came down. Nothing. That makes sense, Werner, or no? The one that you just showed me is unfortunate. That's just them front and running the lows, sadly. Yes, that one there. The take profit for me, yes, that one would have been where you're, if you go left to that gray doji candle there, you got a wickless candle, and then you got a gray doji. The 0.5 of that wick should be what you put the wick on for the blue candle. Right? Entry was there. Yeah, so you longed there, right? So your long entry there, your take profit should have been that doji candle. That's what the wick should have been. Does that make sense? Because you have no wick on this blue candle here. There's a blue candle that goes down. There's no wick on it. So how big of a wick do you expect to be put on? The previous candle, 0.5. See what I'm saying? 0.5 of that wick would have been where I expected the wick to be put on that. Would you have hit take profit if you would have put it there? I don't know. Yeah, M and Q doesn't really... Oh, it's M and Q. Yeah. Well, you're right there, too. But if I was looking for a take profit, you know, from... I mean, I don't know why you have the take profit where you do, I guess, but I would have just moved it down just a wee bit to the 0.5 of that candle if I was looking for a take profit on that area there, right? Because it held the highs. You see what I'm saying? So there's no reason to believe that it's going to break the high. That's the problem. We trade into the highs. Okay, think about this for a minute on my strategy, right? Just to put this in context. I trade into the highs, but my take profit is the high. That's what the top wick's going to be. It's going to be the high. I trade into the high. You don't want to put your take profit above it because that's anticipating that they're going to run the stops and it's going to run the highs. If it doesn't run the stops, you don't get your take profit hit. You see what I'm saying? That's the problem. Does it always run the highs? No. Unfortunately, it doesn't. I wish it always did. I mean, that'd be great. But unfortunately, we can't predict that. So we trade up into the high, TP1 at the high, if you will, and then go to BE, and then you drag it if it breaks the highs, because what will happen once it breaks the highs, then stop losses will be hit, and it'll push that candle up. Now you just drag your stop into profit and let it go as price goes up. Right? But you can't guarantee that it's going to break the highs. It may just come up, test the highs like that. I mean, you got 3 taps to the high, and then it came down. That's the problem. But it did put a wick on that blue candle. I mean, and you could have been the 0.5, the gray one, is all I'm getting at. But again, that's just saying from the picture that I'm seeing there. I don't know anything about what happened in the past or anything else along this thing. So that's just looking at these candle structures, right? It should be about the same as the 0.5 of the biggest candle on your chart here is that blue candle for the second one that you just dropped. And if you pull the 0.5 of that, that should be somewhere near, I would say maybe 2. I don't know. Anyway, does anybody have any questions, guys? There's nothing for me here. She's just dumping. Can't do nothing with it. I'll be honest with you. We can't come up to even get some shorts from this area. Can't do nothing. Anybody got anything today? If not, have a great day, man of the woods. Have a great day, Werner. I took 0 trades today. I don't blame you. It's Monday. Have a great day, Aiken, Jashim, Paul. Have a great day, guys. I will see you all bright and early tomorrow morning. YouTube, Rumble, Discord. I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up. I'll see you all bright and early tomorrow morning. And as always, guys, stay consistent out there.
Thanks, guys.
Let's begin. Y'all move pieces random, I calculate precise. While you chase quick profits, I'm strategizing twice. 10 steps ahead, your basic moves I can predict. This ain't no simple game, my method's scientific. Rapid calculations, market oscillations. You stuck on one move plans, I'm seeing combinations. Bank account elevation through smart navigation. While y'all keep hesitating, I'm accumulating. Check your mate, don't hate, this ain't debate. You move too late, I already sealed your fate. My mind's a supercomputer processing gains, while y'all still confused by simple price change. Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, get it. Pawns advanced strategic, every move methodic. While y'all play checkers, I'm out here encyclopedic. Quick with the statistics, flowing algorithmic. Brain automatic, profit systematic. Fuck what you heard about fast cash and luck. I studied patterns till my vision got stuck. Now every chart I see reveals the truth. Market manipulation can't shake my groove. Queen takes bishop but controls the field. Knowledge is power, that's my strongest shield. Call me grandmaster of this trading floor, while y'all still learning what the game is for. Patience in motion, strategic devotion. Watch and learn, feel the burn. Learn, trade, win. Accelerate the pace, leave no trace. Your simple strategies I'll straight replace with complex calculations, market domination, pure dedication, no hesitation. Been in the lab while y'all been sleeping, studied the craft while y'all been creeping. Now watch me demonstrate perpetual check while your account balance hits the deck. Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, that's the system. Checkmate, game over. Level up, game over. Learn, trade. Started from the bottom with a phone in my hand. Everybody laughed when I said I had a plan. Small account vibes, but my mindset was grand. Now them same folks wanna know where I stand. Been up since 5, studying every line. While they waste time, I'm reading every sign. First few trades hit me like a brick wall, but I ain't give up, now I learn from every fall. You're wasting time, that's what my daddy said. Get a real job, man, I messed with my head. But I kept pushing, kept my focus tight. Now my account growing, future looking bright. Hey, learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. My time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Learn, baby. Watch me turn these to what I earn. Learn, trade, win. That's the only way. Learn, trade, win. Getting better every day. Red candles had me doubting everything. Green days came slow like a broken wing. But I studied hard, yeah, I paid my dues. Now I'm teaching others how to read the clues. Remember crying when I blew my first stack, but that loss taught me how to bounce back. Now I'm in my zone, reading every trend. Making moves that got my whole crew fed. You thought I was crazy, glued to these screens. Now look who's winning, living out these dreams. This ain't luck, baby, this is pure skill. Years of grinding up this market here. They said I couldn't make it, said I should quit trading. Now look who's calculating, while they stay hating. Hey. Learn, trade, win. That's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Learn, trade, win. That's the only way. Learn, trade, win. Getting better every day. Learn, trade, win. That's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. Watch and learn. I stay quiet while they loud. Keep it cool in the crowd. Watching charts day and night. Taking notes, got my light. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Lost it all back in May. Learned my rules, found my way. No emotions when I trade. Calculate every play. Check the trends, read the signs, take my time. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Started from zero, now I'm up. Studied the game, built it up. Losses taught me what I know. Now I move smart, watch it grow in my zone. Trust on screen, everything moving clean. No distractions, clear mind. Perfect timing, by design. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent money. Yeah. Watch and learn. Silent moves. That's how we do it.
that weak shit. I stay focused while they all quit. Let's go.
All day I grind, screen in my face, numbers align, set my own pace. Fuck what they say, I got my way. Most walk away, but I'm gon' stay. Quick with the clicks, mindful of tricks, ain't no look shit, pure analytics. Watch how I move, call it precise, ready to prove, bid it damn price. Waited strike, do it right, learn the game, stack the game, patient hunt, front to front. This my time, watch me climb. Fuck all the noise, clear out my head, make the right choice, stack up this bread. Quick on the draw, but timing is key. Study the law of supply, yeah. D. Charts tell the truth, data don't lie. Here's the proof, watch profits fly. Discipline tight, mind in the zone, do this shit right, I'm on thrive.
Down, take a breath, every L just shows the test. Build it up, break it down, analyze without the stress. Then
back in attack, flow like a pro, stay on the track, watch numbers grow, cut through the shit, trust what I know, win bit by bit, put on a show, every move planned, nothing by chance, take my stance, seize my advance, quick with the wits, sharp as a blade, making hits, getting paid, ring, charts on my screen, mind in the zone, studying patterns while I'm all alone. Fuck all the bullshit, this ain't no game. When I hit that trade, watch the profit rain. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Quick with the clicks, analysis tight. Market's moving, but I time it right. See that signal, I don't hesitate. Years of losses taught me how to navigate. Finger on the trigger, heart beating fast. Each trade I take, built from lessons past. Fucking with precision, watch how I flow. Red to green, baby, that's how we go. Charts telling stories, I read them clear. While amateurs panic, I persevere. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Community strong, we share what we know. Each trade we take helps the other one grow. Fuck the FOMO, we stay calculated. Patient assassins, highly rated. Break down resistance, support won't bend. Technical masteries where we transcend. Keep it controlled, no emotional trades. That's how the real fucking money gets made. Discord buzzing, knowledge flowing free. Real-time updates from LTW family. Chart patterns forming, we spot them quick. Experience taught us which ones to pick.
slow it down, let me tell you something clear. Every loss I took brought me right here. Built my strategy through blood and tears. Now I execute without any fears.
Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Time to accelerate, watch how I close. Each trade I take, building verbose. Rapid execution, precision sharp. Like a fucking sniper in the dark. No hesitation when I see the sign. Years of practice got my skills refined. Community, backing every move I make. That's why this shit isn't carts till they knew my name.
This ain't luck, this is pure damn skill. Watch how we fucking climb up this hill. Learn, trade, motherfucking win. That's the mindset that we're always in. Discord army, we don't ever quit. Making history with every hit.